cherries, mate. Pull over, indicate, pull it in, all the way in, all the way up towards the curb. Pull it in tighter, not stopping. Okay, alright. So right down, more slowly. Yep, now up to where they're standing up there, okay? Alright. Up to where they're standing. Stay over to them. Come over, don't have to run them over. It's nice and slow. Nice and slow. That's it.
How are we going again?
Good.
All good?
Yeah.
No dramas on that part?
G'day Learner Nation, Jerry, Braden. Just finished the MacArthur Logbook run for learner drivers. Braden, what were your thoughts on the day, mate?
Yeah, it was good. New experiences, different experiences. A bit scary, but we got through it.
And would you recommend it to other learner drivers, Braden?
Yeah, it's good. Before going on getting your P's, driving by yourself, learning new experiences with the person in the car with you, I recommend it for all learners.
Beautiful. There you go, guys. That's another one done and dusted. See you next time. Bye.